Hello friends. In previous video we covered uh, data validation dropdown basic concepts. Most of it we have covered. Now we are going to cover the remaining part of it. So in previous video we looked at how to apply the dropdown, how to uh, you know make it flexible enough to accept the inputs which are uh, outside the selected data range. Now in this video we are going to cover validation criteria. In within validation criteria, what all we can allow. So we had covered list basically, but apart from list also there are other options, like there is something called as any value, wherein you can literally put anything. I mean, it doesn't need any data validation as such. But another option is whole number. You can restrict the input to a whole number and make it like between, let's say, 1 and 10. Okay, so I select OK, and let's say I put 2. 1 minute before that, let me confirm if my error alert is on. Yeah, let me remove this error message and title. Yes, so let's say I put 11, so it is giving me error. I put 10, so it is accepting. Then instead of whole number, we can go to decimal. Here again, we can say between 1.1 till, let's say, 2.15, some odd number. Now I make it 2.2. It is not accepting. This is actually self-explanatory. So I'm just, showing you how it works. Then list we already know. Then you can restrict it. Then you can input date, then time. Then there is option called text length. This will help especially when your employee ha- has some unique government issued identification number. Like in India we have Aadhaar number, we have PAN number. Then in India mobile numbers are 10 digit. Okay, then in US it could be something else. And generally these numbers have fixed digits, and you don't want your data entry person to input less characters or even more than what it should be. So in that case you can use this. Then in allow we saw what all we can put, and then in data we can use it like between, not between, equal to, greater than, like that. So this is how you can use it. Now I'm now going to cover another concept within data validation is circle invalid data and then clear validation circles. Now let's say you get a big table with already filled data. Okay, so in that case what you can do, you can select the entire range, go to data validation. As usual you can put your validation criteria, and after that you can select circle invalid data. Like you can see, uh, the circle is appearing because Mumbai city is not within the data validation range. So that is also something you can do, and then you can click on clear validation circles to remove the circles. So this is how this function is used, and it is very helpful. uh, if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share as much as you can. Thank you.